Hi, I'm Richard Grose. I'm a Professor of Cancer Cell Biology here at Barts Cancer Institute, Queen Mary University of London. I've been here for almost 20 years now, running a group which works on cell signalling in cancer. Pancreatic cancer is a terrible disease. It has the worst prognosis of any of the major cancers. One of the reasons is late diagnosis, but another is that it's an extremely invasive cancer. So we've been trying to understand the fundamental biology underlying that cancer invasion to try and find weaknesses and ways perhaps we can target it. So in this current study, what we've been really interested in is the role of proteases in driving pancreatic cancer invasion. So these are small molecular scissors that are known to impact on cancer cell behavior. Normally we think of them as being pro-invasive, but this isn't always the case. And this is what we found both in this paper and in our earlier studies this year on breast cancer. So what was unique about this study, I think, is the fact that we used a combination approach using these little mini cancers made from human and mouse cells that we could grow together, allow them to invade, and then freeze them in time and look at the signals that were coming from each cell type, because the signals are slightly different whether they're derived from a mouse or from a human. So the key message from the study, I think, is that this growth factor, transforming growth factor beta, regulates the behavior, not necessarily of the cancer cells, but of the normal cells in the body that accompany these cancer cells on their invasion, is really playing a critical role in driving pancreatic cancer invasion. And what we've done is found some of the switches that control that. So I think the work will make a difference to patients in the long run because it helps us to understand how pancreatic cancer invades, not just from the cancer cell perspective, but from how these surrounding cells are co-opted, if you like, to kind of drive the invasive process. Understanding those pathways means we can think about how to block those pathways.